Do you want to make rupees 3 lakhs per month using AI? I'm here to guide you, beginners, to learn AI hustling. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta She. If you are here for the first time, I am an AI hustler and want you to be the same because it has the potential to fetch you good money. This is where we crack the code of making money using AI. I am on a journey to earn rupees 3 lakhs per month with AI, and I am here to help you do the same, step by step. Now, let me ask you something. When you hear the word AI, what's the first thing that comes in your mind? Let me guess. Robots take over human coding nightmares, or maybe even losing your job, right? Well, here's the myth that I want to burst, because AI isn't a threat, it's a tool. It's the tool that makes you money, that makes you rich. By the end of this video, you will walk away with a clear understanding of how AI works for hustlers like us. Real life, practical ways to start earning with AI today. And yes, some humor to keep you entertained while you learn. Because let's be honest, making money or having fun should go hand in hand, right? So let us start with section 1, why AI is your biggest opportunity right now. So right now, let's face it, the world is challenging, is changing as well, faster than ever. In the next 5 years, the way we work, live and even think will completely change, will completely transform. And guess what? The people who learn to adapt will thrive. The ones who don't, they will be stuck watching others succeed. So let's start with why entrepreneurs should care about AI. If you are an entrepreneur or a freelancer or someone with a side hustle dream, AI is your golden ticket, because AI can, number one, save you hours every day to automate your daily routine. Number 2, helps you make smart decisions with data. 3, open up income streams you did not even know existed. So let's make it relatable. Imagine this, you are running a small business, and instead of spending hours writing emails, planning campaigns or creating content, you have got an AI tool doing all that for you. While you, what are you doing? You are sipping a chai and closing deals. Sounds like a dream, right? It's not. It's the reality you are about to create. Coming to section 2, let's learn what AI is and isn't. So, few myths and let's burst it. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is basically software that learns and adapts. It's like that friend who remembers your coffee order after just one visit of that cafe. Except AI does not just remember, it improves, making your life and work more efficient. Okay, let's talk about what is AI not about, what AI isn't. Now let me clarify, AI is not, number 1, a replacement for human. Number 2, a magic button to make you a millionaire overnight. Number 3, complicated to use despite what many people think. So let's add some humor. Honestly, if I can figure out, anyone can. My tech skills a year ago were limited to turn my phone off, and when something wasn't working, I was just staring at people how to get it connected. Now this section is going to be your favorite one. Let's learn real life use cases of AI. Let me give you some examples, some real life examples of how people are already using AI to make money. Point number 1, content creation. Tools which they use are ChatGPT, that is from OpenAI. Create blog posts, Instagram captions or YouTube scripts in minutes. ChatGPT is your go-to. Just you have to type your topic and it spits out high quality content faster than you can type. Artificial intelligence. Let me explain you with an example. I once asked ChatGPT for Instagram captions ideas for a bakery. It gave me 10 creative captions and in 30 seconds. The second biggest area to earn money is graphic designing. The tools which you can use is Canva with AI features. Canva now has AI powered tools to generate designs or even logos, even entire brand kit. Yeah, you don't need to be a designer anymore. You just need a good idea, and the rest ChatGPT can do. Third area is customer service. The tools which you use is ManyChat and ChatGPT. Yes, it is ManyChat and ChatGPT. For businesses, you can use AI chatbots to handle customer queries 24/7. Imagine the money you will save on hiring while still giving top-notch service. So, what are you waiting for? Try one of these tools today. Trust me, once you see what AI can do, there is no going back. Let's learn how to start your AI hustle today. That's a big one, right? Step 1. Choose a niche. AI is vast, so start with a focus. The examples could be, are you in content creation or e-commerce or marketing? Pick one area and master it. Step 2. Learn the tools. Don't worry, you don't need a degree or hours of training. Most AI tools are beginner friendly. For example, Jasper.ai for content writing. Or you can take Midjourney for AI generated art. Or you can take Notion AI for productivity hacks. Step 3. Start small, scale fast. Offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Start with one project, maybe creating content or designing graphics, and then scaling up as you gain confidence. So let me tell you a motivational line, okay? Remember, every big hustle starts with one small step. The important thing is to start. Let's move on to section 5. How AI can make you 3 lakhs rupees per month. Sounds great. Don't worry, I'll break down the income streams for you. Point number 1. Freelancing with AI tools. Charge rupees 10,000 to AI generated social media content packages. Or you can complete 30 packages a month, that is equal to 3 lakhs. Sting. Or you can create and sell digital products. Use AI to create ebooks, templates or courses. Sell 100 copies at rupees 3,000. Cha-ching, 3 lakhs in the bank. Building an AI powered businesses. Use AI tools to run an automated business like drop shipping or marketing agencies. Let me make it relatable for you. I'm not saying this will happen overnight, but if you are consistent, rupees 3 lakhs per month is just not impossible. Let me move you to section 6, a roadmap to making money with AI. We have busted myths, explored tools, and laid out a plan for your AI hustle. The only thing left for you is to take action. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe button and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to comment below what's the first AI tool you are going to try today. I'm not going to leave you without a motivational touch. AI is not the future, it's the present, and it's your ticket to life of freedom, creativity and success. Don't wait, your AI hustle starts now.